Okay, so let's set up our branding to make sure that my station has my colors and everything else that is me. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you go to my station and then select the station and then station settings, under general, there are some things that you do need to set up. If you didn't set up your description, you could change them here. And if your station is multilingual, you could also add other languages here. By default, it will be English, but if it was just say French, for example, then you can remove English because you have to select one language, at least one. This is where you can select the time zone that fits you, the time format that you prefer, and you can add all of your social links here as well on your station. Then if you go to branding, this is where you could add your station thumbnail, which is a square image. It does say that here. And then your logo, preferably a PNG. Make sure it's transparent. Those look a whole lot better. And then right here is sometimes there are no images for the track that you upload. So you want to add a default track so that way it always shows an image and it always looks good. This is also a square artwork. Typically you could do 1020 4 by 1024 or anything square. It's completely up to you. Moving on to theme customization. This is where also you can select specific colors. You could put the RGB code, the hex code here, or you could select a color that fits you specifically. And you could change the page background color. You could make it white, black, whatever color you prefer. If you're not sure, we have some presets here that you can select and see exactly how it looks in real time. And you could also select the player layout, whether you want a compact, classic, minimal, cinematic, so they're different as well. And the player tabs, you could turn, if you don't want the About Us section as an example, on, you could hide it or you could move it around. So you could do a whole lot of things like that. For example, if you want to show the lyrics tab, you could do that. By default, this is off, chat and all of these things. You could also, we have some default or some options for backgrounds that will go in the player, again, to make yours unique. If you don't like any of those, which is very possible, you can upload your own if you want to. And then we have a few other options here to customize your station. So this is how you customize your station to match your brand.